Jasper iTeam Content App. The pros, the cons. If your team struggles to produce high-quality content quickly, Jasper iTeam Content might seem like the perfect solution. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore. On the positive side, Jasper I excels at generating content for blogs, social media, email, and more. Its standout feature is the ability to produce human-like text in seconds, saving teams hours of writing time. Many marketing teams report faster content production, improved workflow, and better idea generation using Jasper's templates and tone settings. Another advantage is team collaboration, which allows multiple users to work on content, leave comments, and manage approvals all in one platform. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can be steep for larger teams, especially if you want access to advanced features. Some users note that while Jasper produces high-quality text, it sometimes requires editing to match brand voice or factual accuracy. Another limitation is that AI-generated content can lack nuance, storytelling depth, or creative flair compared to human writers. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI content can replace human creativity entirely. The surprising truth is that Jasper works best as a collaboration tool, enhancing human creativity rather than replacing it. In conclusion, Jasper iTeam Content App is a powerful tool for teams aiming to speed up content creation, streamline collaboration, and generate ideas efficiently. It saves time, supports workflow, and enhances productivity. But to achieve the best results, teams need editing, strategy, and creative oversight. For content teams ready to blend AI with human creativity, Jasper can be a game changer.